Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another hair tutorial for you guys, and this time I thought I would do a hairstyle that has been on my mind lately because I see it a lot on the internet. Basically, it's very similar to the mermaid wave hairstyle that I did recently, just that this one has a little bit more of a cutesy vibe to it. So it's a little bit more tussle, less structured. I think it's very Korean vibes, which is what I'm totally digging. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my hair right now. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your hair is completely dry and you want to brush out all of the tangles. So if you have very tangled hair, you want to start detangling from the bottom and slowly work your way up. For the tools, you need a hair curler. I'm using the Create Iron 32mm, as well as a hair straightener. This one is the GHD Platinum Plus. And for this, I am gonna do a center part. I find that a center parting looks much better. You want to split your hair into about halfway. I'm just gonna be putting this to secure my parting over here. First thing you wanna do is set your hair color to about 160-180 degrees C. I find that 180 degrees works really well with Singapore's weather. I'm just starting from the back, taking about this amount of hair. I'm just starting right up at the root. Once you hold it for a few seconds, twist it and continue curling. So the aim of it is to do really tight, like almost ringlet kind of curls. Like this. Another very easy way to make sure that you don't end up with straight ends like this is to curl all of the ends inwards. Just taking off the ends and curling them inwards. And continue for the rest of the hair. This side is done. You don't want to brush it out just yet, so continue the rest of the head until we reach our second layer. Alright, so we're done with the first layer. Right now you want to remove the second layer and keep only just the top part. Repeat the same steps. You want to curl outwards. Okay, so this is second layer. Now onto the top layer, which is what we are gonna be using our hair straightener for. Push it all to the back and open up the parting. So we'll first start with the back, and you want to take your hair straightener and go out, in, out, in, out, in. This is where you'll get something like this. Doing it this side. And now it's time for the fringe. I'm just using my hair color to go this way, upwards, and pull it downwards like this. Do you see that? In order to have volume on the top of your head, it's very important to take a little bit of hair at the top. Just do this. Now it's time to comb through. Now this hairstyle really gives you that volume, and it works really nicely if you want to have some framing pieces around your face. And that is it. Super simple. It does take a little bit of practice and a little bit of time. I think I took about 25 minutes to do this entire hairstyle. If this is something that you'd like to try, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and talk to me in the comments box down below. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!